In this problem, it states a patient is to receive 10 milligrams of hydrocodone every 12 hours. How many tablets will this patient receive per dose and per day? To solve this problem, our answer will need to be in tablets per unit of time. We will begin the problem with the doctor's order, which is 10 milligrams per dose, shown here as a fraction with a denominator of 1. Looking at the medication on hand, the label indicates that these tablets not only contain the doctor order for hydrocodone, but it also contains acetaminophen. There's two numbers. The first number refers to the amount of hydrocodone, with the second number referring to the amount of, in this case, acetaminophen. Further verification of this, shown in a smaller font below, states each tablet contains hydrocodone 5 milligrams and the acetaminophen 325 milligrams. We'll use that information then to convert from the current order in milligrams to tablets. To cancel out the order in milligrams, our conversion fraction will have to have milligram in the denominator. We'll place the 5 milligram and its equivalent value, 1 tablet, in the numerator, so that milligrams do in fact cancel out. We currently have our units in tablet per dose, which is our goal for the first part of this problem. So we will multiply, simplify the fraction with division for a final answer of 2 tablets per dose. To answer the next question, which is asking per day, we will refer to the additional information in the orders, which states every 12 hours. Since there are 2 12-hour periods per day, we will set up another conversion fraction that will cancel out our current dose. And to do so, we will have to have dose in the numerator and day in the denominator for our conversion fraction having a value of 1. This allows us to cancel out dose, leaving tabs per day, for a final answer when we multiply and simplify the fraction to give us 4 tablets per day. This problem has an additional portion to it, which is asking us to calculate the milligrams of acetaminophen the patient will receive. To do so, we will set our goal as milligrams per unit of time. To start this problem, we'll start with the dosage that we calculated from the first portion dealing with hydrocodone. We determined that the patient should receive 2 tablets per dose. If we refer to the medication on hand, the label showed us that a patient would also receive 325 milligrams of acetaminophen per tablet. We'll use that information to convert our current dosage into milligrams of acetaminophen. So to cancel out the current unit in tablets, we'll place tablet factor in the denominator, its equivalent amount of acetaminophen in the numerator, which allows us to cancel out tablets common to the numerator and the denominator. We now have our answer in milligram per dose. We'll perform the multiplication and simplify, giving us 650 milligrams per dose. To answer the second portion of this problem, which is asking us the number of milligrams of acetaminophen per day, we'll return to the doctor's order of every 12 hours for the time period. To cancel out our unit of dose, we will use 2 12-hour periods in one day for our conversion fraction, placing dose in the numerator and day in the denominator. This allows us to cancel out dose. Performing the multiplication, we have 1,300 milligrams of acetaminophen will be given per day to this patient for our final answer.